Morning.
Hey guys, welcome to second vlog of the trip. We're currently hiking right now up in the mountains of Santa Fe, and yeah, this morning woke up around 7:30, got ready, then I got Starbucks, and then we drove here, and so we're here now, and I think we're going to sorry, we're going to a waterfall, I think. So yeah, I'll keep you updated.
My head won't budge when my heart is telling me go. Could we have some wine? Walk a straight line. Think I love you, but I'm faced within my mind. Are we out of time? At the coastline, can't you tell I didn't really look right? You're a dream.
Got a nice little stream. Hey guys, update. This is not my thing. I'm just not a hiker. I wanted to stay home this morning, but here I am. So this waterfall better be worth it. That's all I'm saying. Also, if I see a snake, it's over. Right now, my dad's talking about what to do if we see a snake, so love that. Love that there's a possibility. Please help. We love crossing rivers.
Here. Go next and let me.
Yeah, you got it?
I'm scared. I'm scared my shoes are gonna slip.
So, it's been like an hour, and we still can't find the waterfall. And this is not the funnest time. Okay, so we've been walking for so long, and we couldn't find the waterfall. And we're all tired, and so we stopped here to sit on some rocks. And Jason went on to find the waterfall, and so we're just waiting here for him because we're ready to go back.
And my hands got dirty in my face.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing, and we have to walk all the way back. So I'm doing great. I love all the bugs. So you're the only one that saw the waterfall. How was it?
It was amazing. I mean, I'm not just saying that. I really believe it in my heart of hearts. And I got video I want to share with y'all, and I'm going to give it to you, upload it to them. But it was amazing. The sun was peeking through the rocks as the water was coming down, creating a rainbow. And I just felt butterflies fly up. It is.
You're gonna cry. Hey guys, so we got back from the pool. We were there for like 2 hours maybe, and then we all showered, took some naps, and now we're going out into the town of Santa Fe. And first place we're going is a place called Meow Wolf, which apparently is kind of like a breakout room, but like it's for 2 hours, and it's like really crazy. It's like people said it's like being in Willy Wonka world, and it's like super like druggy. So anyway, so hopefully I can vlog some of that. So we'll be doing that for the next 2 hours. So I'll talk to y'all when we get there.
Perfect illusion. Am I losing my mind? You're a Polaroid picture set in a time. Could I wait through? When my heart says yes, but my head is telling me no. We have some wine, walk a straight line. Think I love you, but I'm faced within my mind. Are we out of time at the coastline? Can't you tell I didn't really look right? You're a dream I couldn't find, but wouldn't try. Had disguise so accidental, could I leave this all behind? Make you mine. I'll never get there 'cause we're boxed in our time.
No, not again.
And my heart says yes, but my head is telling me no. My head won't budge when my heart is telling me go.
Who is it?
Bye.
Oh my gosh,
Okay, so we're done with Meow Wolf. It was really cool. We were in there for like an hour and a half maybe, so it was awesome. So yeah, and now we're walking on the streets, and that guy's got my video. That guy just got my video because he saw me. Vlog life.
He did it on purpose.
Yes.
Everyone wants to be famous, you know.
Vlog life, what can I say? Anyway, so we're getting dinner now. I'll keep y'all posted. You have found the dance part.
I think I'll make things better. You're a Polaroid picture set in a time.
Hey guys, I'm at the pool right now editing this video, and I know it's so dark, so I'm sorry you can't see me, but I just had to do an outro to the vlog so y'all know it's ending. So yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye.